guys, I'm Anna Feller. I'm originally from Canada, but I've been living in Australia for 7 years. The Australian sun's so intense, actually more so than anywhere that I've lived in the world. SPF is definitely one of my main products that I use just for anti-aging, and every summer it's always in my handbag. So I'm just going to take you through my routine. This is the mineral gel cream, SPF 30 by Mecca Cosmetica. I like to apply evenly over the face, on my neck, on the back of my neck, on my décolletage. And this one here, you can really keep applying it because it's so lightweight. I love using it on myself, on my face, and I also apply it to my son as well. When I first moved to Australia 7 years ago, the first thing I noticed was how much stronger the sun is here. I moved here from New York originally, and I think the second day I was here, I got completely sunburnt, and that was the first realization for me that I needed to invest in SPF 50. For my body, I'm going to use the Mecca Cosmetica to Save Body SPF 50. So this product's amazing because it's 4 hours water resistant. The way that I look at SPF is that the higher the SPF, the more time it buys me before I need to reapply again. So next is the Lip Deluscious SPF 25. Your lips are going to be the first place to burn in the sun and the first place to age. This is the color Peach. So after the beach, usually like from 4 o'clock onwards, I will take this Good Light SPF 30 tinted moisturizer with me. If me and my son are going to go for a little stroll, but I still want a little bit of coverage and I don't want to take a heavy foundation or something like that with me in my bag. This product's super beautiful and glowy. So to add a little bit of bronze, my secret weapon is this RMS Bariti bronzer. Just apply a little bit to my cheeks, and this just adds a little bit of sun-kissed glow. And that's it, I'm ready for a day in the sun.